ammo for this fucking Uzi. Holy fuck, I took literally nothing from this entire room.
Same.
This place was ass. You got a rooster at least. So that's
I don't
something.
count that as in this room, low key. I was like outside almost, basically. Practically.
That was on the shit. Whoa.
Dude, this whole like where's the juice, dog?
Why the
This room
fuck
had
am I?
that jack shit? Fucking first office room had jack shit. So
Why did
far
my game bug and he let me hear a fucking grenade sound next to me?
is that worth fire steel?
Fire steel, that's worth like 40K, I think. Might as well take it.
I've never seen it.
Bitcoin!
Kill yourself.
Okay. Watch this, I'm about to loot this. There's about to be 3 intelligence in here. Well, there's something. SA-58. M1911. Some tactical device. A scope. A skull lock. The fuck? Grenade.
That's 3 of them! That's 3 of them! That's Trace!
Chief Alvarez, please call desk. Chief Alvarez, please call desk.
Would I down him?
I killed 2 of them.
Grenade. What the f- Are
What?
these grenades fake?
What the fuck?
That's the
Where
third
is he?
grenade sound I've heard. No idea.
Yeah. Is he on the left? Yeah, he is. Oh, shit. Fuck. Owie. Owie.
Grenade. Again. The grenades are fake.
They're fake. Can you try the motherfucker?
He's all... Bitch! Oh, he's dead.
Alright, that's all of them dead.
Is that...
Yeah, there's 3 of them. I killed 2.
You... Okay.
No, there's not. No, you did not fucking kill his ass.
Oh, another grenade sound. Dude.
Fuck. My stomach's black.
What?
Are you sure you killed him?
I'm pretty sure I killed him. I slugged the guy in the head and there was a big blood splatter behind him. Don't you know that thing about me and splints?
Motherfucker, you need a splint right now?
Nah, I got a splint, but
Popping a prop at all. I can't stand this shit no more.
yeah, I popped the prop. Me and my fucking splits, dude.
Detective Bailey, please call desk.
Where is this motherfucker at?
He was on the left. He was kind of like mid. Last I saw. Oh, he's right. I got this.
Fuck! Dude, these grenades are actually like, I'm gonna tweak out. These fucking fake ass grenades.
Are you... There's another blood splatter behind his head. Or where his head used to be, at least. Dude.
Dude.
I'm gonna kill him, man. I swear to God.
Dude. Why?
Okay. I think.
Dude.
Dude. Red, is that you? I feel like that's Red
I
soundboard.
think that's red soundboarding.
Fuck you, Red. Piece of bitch. He had us in the first half, not gonna lie.
Fuck you guys.
Had us in the first half, not gonna lie.
Bro, I've been just sitting here like, I remember the first one I sent off. Ivan was like, my game bugged out.
No, dude, there was a fucking grenade sound effect next to me, and I was like,
Cody did not mention it whatsoever.
you didn't care what the fuck.
I just understood that. It was fucking-
Dude, that's been in the making for like a week.
Commitment to the bit. Oh, one of these guys had fucking night vision on him.
Holy shit.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck, hold on.
Fine. Fair enough, Red. You can't even be mad.
I'm gonna tweak.
Fuck, don't, dude.
Kill a man.
I'm gonna kill him.